Today I am making peanut laddu with simple ingredients. 2 people. Let's take peanuts, jaggery and dry fruits and ghee. Now put some peanuts to bowl and some jaggery and some dry fruits and 1 spoon of jaggery. Now round like ball and keep it to a plate. Then we'll do so much. Hope you like it. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all